At last count, women hold fewer than 10% of the highest paying jobs in Canada, and only 3.5% of companies listed on the country's biggest stock exchange have a female CEO. The obvious question is, why? Why do women remain so badly represented at the top of corporate Canada? And more to the point, what can we do about it? You'll find the answers right here, thanks to years of independent research and personal insights from 50 female executives from across Canada, including some of the highest profile leaders in the country. Together, we expose the hidden rules that are holding women back in business, and we provide a revolutionary plan of action for women looking to get ahead and for organizations looking to make gender equity a reality. We're thrilled to confirm that early reviews have been extremely positive. In the kind words of RBC Board Chair Katie Taylor, The Invisible Rules is a must-read for any aspiring leader. It confirms that gender equity has become a fundamental and differentiating business strategy in today's complex environment, and goes on to provide a compelling framework for eliminating the barriers that continue to impede the progress of women to the C-suite. It's a framework we'd love to share with you on your personal path to leadership and the pursuit of gender equity.